FactPump presents top 10 cities by population. Population density is determined by the number of residents who live within a given land area. According to the United Nations, more than half of the world's population lives in cities. This is expected to grow 60% by 2030, with 1 in 3 people living in cities. Between 2020 and 2050, the United Nations estimate 35% of urbanization will occur in India, China, and Nigeria alone. Here are the world's top 10 most populous cities based on most recent data released by the United Nations Population Division. Number 10. Osaka, Japan. Osaka is a large port city and commercial center of Japan. It was once the capital of Japan. The city known for its modern architecture, nightlife, and hearty food. It is the second largest metropolitan area in Japan and among the largest in the world with more than 19 million inhabitants. In 2010, Osaka's population was 19.3 million and the growth rate was 0.60%. In 2020, Osaka's population estimated 19.1 million and the growth rate is -30%. In 2030, Osaka's population would be 18.6 million and the growth rate would be -0.28%. In 10 years span, Osaka's population decreases, but still it is come on 10th position in the world cities population ranking. Number 9. Mumbai, India. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India and is one of the predominant port cities in the country. It is also known for its entertainment hub, the popular Bollywood cinema industries. Mumbai was named Alpha World Cities. It has the highest number of millionaires and billionaires among the cities in India. Mumbai is the home of 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and currently the second most populous cities in India after Delhi. And here is the Mumbai's population graph. Number 8. Beijing, China. Beijing is capital city of China and also one of the oldest cities in the world with a rich history dating back 3 millennia. It is an important world capital and global power city and also one of the world's leading center for culture, education and politics. It is the home of the largest number of Fortune Global 500 companies as well as the world's 4th biggest financial institution. And here's how Beijing's population growth look like. Number 7. Cairo, Egypt. Cairo is the capital of Egypt and the largest city in Africa, the Arab world and the Middle East. Its history much longer than a mere 1000 years. It is the oldest and largest film and music industries in the Arab world. It's long been the center of political and cultural life. Close to 100% of Egypt's population lives in Cairo, Alexandria or elsewhere along the river Nile. And here is the Cairo's population. Number 6. Dhaka, Bangladesh. Dhaka is the capital and the largest city of Bangladesh. It is the 9th largest and the 6th most densely populated city in the world. Dhaka is the economic, political and cultural center of Bangladesh. It is a major city of South Asia. Migration from rural areas of the country to urban Dhaka is an active contributor of the population growth. And here how it's look like. Number 5. Mexico City, Mexico. Mexico City is the capital and the largest city of Mexico and the most populous city in North America. It is one of the most important cultural and financial centers in the world as well as the largest Spanish-speaking city in the world. Mexico City has a long rich history and today it is the home to large number of immigrants around the world, which making its population even more than estimated. Number 4. Sao Paulo, Brazil. Sao Paulo is an alpha global city and the most populous city in Brazil, the Americas, the Western Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. It is also the largest Portuguese speaking cities in the world and the world's fourth largest city proper by population. It has strong influence in the arts, entertainment, finance and commerce. It has the 11th largest GDP in the world, representing alone 10.7% of all Brazilian GDP. Sao Paulo's population is its immigrant. A data from 2016 shows inhabitants to the city were native to over 200 different countries. Number 3. Shanghai, China. Shanghai is China's most populous city and the largest city proper in the entire world. It is an important financial, economic, trade and shipping center for China. Experts are predicting that Shanghai will become a technological hub to rival San Francisco by 2021. A huge base of digital media and entertainment companies now call the city home, and Shanghai is looking to attract even more. The city ranks first in China and third in the world in terms of population. When China has become known for its famous one-child policy, their migrants are making the Shanghai's population boom. More than 39% of Shanghai's residents are long-term migrants. It has over 150,000 officially registered foreigners, including approximately 31,500 Japanese, 21,000 Americans, and 20,700 Koreans. These numbers are based on official figures, so the real numbers of foreign citizens in the city is probably much higher. Number 2. Delhi, India. Delhi is the capital of India and the second most populous city in the world and the largest city in India area-wise. It is the second wealthiest city in India after Mumbai and the home of 18 billionaires and 23,000 millionaires. It has been continuously inhabited since at least the 6th century, and it has been the capital of many empires and kingdoms over its history. It has also been captured, destroyed and rebuilt numerous times. Delhi is one of the fastest growing cities in the world, and here is Delhi's population growth look like. Number 1. Tokyo, Japan. Japan's capital Tokyo is the most densely populated city. It is also world's largest metropolitan area. Tokyo is the political and economic center of the country, as well as the seat of the Emperor of Japan and the national government. Tokyo is the largest urban economy in the world by GDP. In 2020, it ranked third on the Global Financial Center Index. Tokyo metropolis area is now home to 13.5 million people in all of the 23 wards. This doesn't include the population of metro area, which we get in a moment. The Greater Tokyo metropolitan area, which is spread over 3 prefectures, is much larger and has a population estimated to over 36 million. That means Greater Tokyo area is home to 25% of Japan's population. Tokyo has always been Japan's largest city and one of the mightiest cities in the Asia. It used to be known as Edo. In 1720, it became the first city in Asia with a population more than 1 million people. And here's the Tokyo's population growth. These data are just an estimate. So now comment down below the name of your city. And if you enjoyed our video, please give a like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for new content daily. Thank you.